Okay, number 5, solve the inequality and express the solution set using interval notation. So this one is in standard form, it's not in factored form, but we still want to solve it as if it equals 0. So you can graph it and get the values. I'm going to factor it. I'm going to take out a -1. And then it's going to be positive x squared, positive 5x minus 14. And we factor when that's a positive 1. So factors of 14 are 2 and 7 that get us to that 5. So that's going to be positive 7 minus 2. And those are our factors. X plus 7, x minus 2, and then there's a -1 out here, which doesn't affect our answer. So set each factor equal to 0, and then solve. So x equals -7, and x equals positive 2. So 2 and -7, and this is where the negative comes in. Because of that -1, the graph is actually going to open down. It flips the parabola upside down when it's negative in the front. Okay, so now we need to look at our inequality. There's not a line underneath, so that means that our line is actually dashed when we graph it. And in our answer, we're going to use parentheses. So let's look at where we're looking. Our function is greater than 0. So greater than means above the x-axis. So here's our x-axis. We want this part of the graph. And notice how it's one interval. It just goes all the way across. It doesn't break. It is dashed, but that just means we're going to include parentheses. So we need our left value, comma, our right value. And that's why we solved here. So our left value is -7, and then we go across, and our right value is 2. And because of the inequality, we're going to use parentheses. So -7, 2.